Still on the episode of sexual fantasies that women would love to explore, but they are too shy or scared to discuss this with their partners because it is tabooish. The first one we talked about was dominating. Now, the second one is taking control. It is more like flipping the coin because it's more like the opposite. In fact, they are totally opposites. Being dominated and being dominated are two opposite things. Now, some women would love being dominated. Some women would love to take control. And a lot of times, or oftentimes, women do not really take charge or control. And I always buttress the point that sometimes women should take charge. And that's why I always teach how to ride, because during riding position is one position that gives women the 100% chance of being dominant, of taking control. Now, aside from cowgirl in any variation, aside from that, there is no much other style or position that gives us the chance to take over. Now, taking control can be she riding, could be she calling the shots, it could be she telling you what to do, just flipping the coin around. Instead of you commanding, you are more like the slave now. But this one may not really involve BDSM, but it depends on the man. If the man is okay with it, it can involve BDSM, and the woman is the one doing all the work, calling the shots, telling you what to do and what not to do, telling you how to turn, how to move, and doing all the work. And all you do is just lie there helpless and enjoy the show. So it can involve BDSM, tying of hands with handcuffs. It can involve riding the man. It can involve pinning you down on the bed. It can involve slapping you or choking you. It can involve a lot of things. So when you flip the coin around, a lot of women have these as their fantasy. They actually want to experience being dominant, being in control, not just being on top and riding where you sort of assist them sometimes, but taking full control and in charge of the moment. So this is self-explanatory, so that's why we are not talking long today. And sexual fantasy is something that couples need to discuss once in a while, so you know what your partner have been craving. So if it's something that is attainable, you can help them to achieve it. In that way, you are telling them about your fantasy as well. And if it is attainable, the both of you will work hand in hand to make it come to life.